What's good, man? What's up?
So
I see you pushed it up.
Yeah. It's not starting, man.
So it's not starting at all? Like it's not trying to start or nothing like that?
Nah, I bought it. It started when I got it, but it's been sitting. You see the tires are flat on it.
So it didn't blow up though?
No, I parked it, but it just.
Oh, so it's not starting from sitting?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see.
So. I really don't know though. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, what year is it?
2000.
2000, okay. Let's see what happened. It look clean though. It look pretty clean.
Yeah. I put the pipes on it, and I got the jettings for it, for the pilot jet.
Oh, so you want to change the jets too?
I want to change the jets on it too, if you can.
Okay.
I've kicked it like 100 times.
Hmm. Yeah, okay. So the main thing is the bike but the bike was running before you had it sitting.
Yeah.
It ran before you had it sitting.
Yep.
Okay, so after you had it sitting, then it had a starting problem.
Yeah, I mean, when I got it, it did have a little starting problem. I took it to somebody in Miami. Got it running. It was starting first kick, second kick.
Right.
And I parked it, and then now it's the same issue.
Oh, so it's repeating the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the main problem with it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we definitely.
The tank's not strapped up. I forgot to put the bolts. It's missing a few bolts on it.
Oh, the gas
I
tank.
was gonna strap zip tie it or whatever for now.
Okay. And then let's see. Let me check one more thing. Make sure the hole got coolant in it. Okay. All right. So we definitely run through everything. Give it that V touch.
Man.